Train 2.
All right.
Westmoreland Station. 1.
Where we at?
We're at Cityplace Uptown Station, and this is the West Portal elevator.
It's a Montgomery Kone. I know, yes, this is modded, but listen to the motor on this.
Arriving. Red line. Train 2.
Here it
Westmoreland
comes.
Station. 1.
Indicator's burned out.
For your safety.
Look at this. Look how
please stand
slow it
back.
takes the level. What do you think of this, Alex?
Very cool.
That is one of the slowest levelings that I've ever seen on an elevator.
Yep.
Now let's be quiet, listen to the motor, shall we?
Yes, we will.
What you think of that?
Very good.
I'm glad it didn't have that loud fan on. I'm glad that fan was not that loud, unlike the one at Mockingbird. Here are your fixtures right here, and there's the fixtures on right there. My gosh, this thing is slow. It takes forever to level.
Yep.
What do you think of this, Emma?
Pretty cool.
Alright, I'm gonna end my video when that door closes up. And there you have it.